Yeah, man, so we jump up in a Japan and thing, and before we go check out certain things, we just want to have like a historical context of Japanese history, Japanese culture, and its heritage and so forth. And after making my inquiries, I was told that the best place to go was a city called Kyoto. If we check out and thing, I will say we are do road, and at Kyoto we are going and thing, and them tell us we have to hold a train name, the bullet train. The fastest way to get down there and sit, you know. You have to pay a look of proper food on that train there. That come in like a plane where I take. But we pay our money and go so boom bam bam and make arrangements and thing and roll up and lock on the train and sit and go train station and eat up some Japanese food and all them something there, because that make them thing nice, you know. No, me think of iced tea. I recognize Minute Maid, so orange juice. Can't lose half of that. We jump on the train, and the Japanese train them clean and nice, man. I lie, the train them proper and the seat them just comfortable and thing. The way the seat comfortable, people, they say from me go to boom and sit down and they see them. Alone sleep take me. Alone sleep take me and thing. It was just so comfortable and thing. So train goes and roll. And we jump at Kyoto. This is right here.
Yeah. Number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Okay. At 10:30 of New York. Jamaica and New York.
ヒュンカクと申しますと、豊臣秀吉の
The Japanese temple them always fascinate me. You know, you see them in a karate show and all that stuff. When I look a bit, I live at South. We used to go enough karate show. Done a Palace Theatre and Gate Theatre and Tropical Theatre and them place there and Rialto out of East and all them something there. You don't know get a thing at town. But we always I see them big Japanese and Chinese temples and you know the different houses and things. So me did well want to see that and them say Kyoto are the best place to go see it. So we went there and it was just incredible. King Kakuji Temple, home of Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, a shogun from thousands of years ago, who, when Kyoto was the central city of Japan. The city of Kyoto features a wide array of temples, castles, and shrines, such as this one. It was just absolutely educational, and you know, and it gives you an insight into why the Japanese behave certain way right now in modern times right now, in terms of what are the roots of them behavior where we are right now. It was very, very good. And I love Jamaica. All over Japan, when you go, you have a lot of people who are quite familiar with Jamaica. And the way that they know Jamaica is through dancehall dancing and through reggae music and dancehall music.
Shake that thing, bitch. Can I shake? Big up Ragashanti, you there? Can I shake that thing? Anyway, girl. Shake your body, girl. Say out to brother. Just want some big respect to our massive and crew. Enough respect from Jamaica. Yeah, big up the boss
Dance masterpiece, Infinity 16, large upon itself. I know Ragashanti in the place. I said, I love the vibes.
Sapporo side exam. Everybody! Higher, higher, ladder! No problem. Left to the right.
We are running. Rapper world. Rapper cheers.